level up your Shopify beauty brand and conquer social media like the absolute boss you are? Well, get ready for some fierce tips and tricks, because today I am spilling the tea on the 14 steps to find success on social media for your Shopify beauty brand. So buckle up, because we're about to take your brand from basic to bad and bougie. My name is Brittney Brands, your beauty marketing bestie, and I'm an entrepreneur who's helped dozens of Shopify store owners like yourself start and scale their own successful beauty brand on Shopify in 90 days. So I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. I'm going to show you how to find your $1 million beauty brand idea in this saturated market, stand out from the competition, and even launch it on Shopify in 90 days. So if you're new here, welcome. And make sure you subscribe and hit this notification. And if you're a loyal subscriber, welcome back, bestie, and welcome to my new besties. Now, let's get into this. Part 1, get your brand's glow up, okay? First things first, let's get that brand in tip-top shape, and here's how we're gonna do that. Step 1, define your brand's persona. Get your brand's personality on point. Are you elegant and sophisticated, or more fun and sassy? So own it and let that guide your social media presence. Remember, consistency is key. Step 2, professional photos. You can even take this at home, okay? A picture is worth 1,000 words. Blurry images and bad lighting will have your audience swiping left. It is 2023. We do not need that. Invest in high quality photos of your products and give your brand that glossy finish it deserves. Step 3, writing compelling captions. That is not over, okay? Don't leave your audience hanging with dull captions. Be informative, be witty, and engaging. Make them want to double tap. 23, we do not need that. Invest in high quality photos of your products and give your brand that glossy finish it deserves. Step 3, writing compelling captions. That is not over, okay? Don't leave your audience hanging with dull captions. Be informative, be witty, and engaging. Make them want to double tap, 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 tap in, and snap and want to like. Now that your brand is looking flawless, it's time to attract those adoring fans. So step 4, utilize hashtags. It is not over, okay? So don't underestimate the power of a well-placed hashtag. So we research relevant and trending hashtags for maximum exposure, but don't overdo it, darling, okay? No one likes a hashtag spammer. Step 5, collaborate with influencers, okay? Partner up with influencers who embody your brand's persona. They'll expose your products to their loyal followers who could become your next customers. It's a win-win, baby, and you don't even have to pay these days. Trade work. Step 6, engage with your audience, all right? Don't just post and ghost. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show your followers you're not just a pretty logo. Build genuine connections, and they'll be your brand advocates for life. Part 3, maximize your content. Keep your content fresh and fabulous with these next steps. Step 7, plan your content ahead, all right? Don't just wing it. Plan your content in advance and make sure you align with your brand's narrative, upcoming launches, and your promotions. Stay organized and stress-free, okay, baby? We trying to live a soft life. Step 8, mix it up, all right? Mix it up. Variety is the spice of life. So consistent product photos, reviews, tutorials, tips, and user-generated content will get the audience hooked. Step 9, go live. Go live. Don't be shy. Go live on Instagram or Facebook and share behind the scenes sneak peeks, Q&A sessions, or product demos. Your followers will love exclusivity and authenticity, okay? Part 4, boost those sales. All right now? So, all right, now let's turn those likes into dollar signs. Ka-ching, ching. All right, step 10, offer exclusive deals. Reward your loyal followers with exclusive deals and promotions. They'll feel special and your sales will sour, I promise. Step 11, don't be too pushy. Remember, no one likes a hard sell. Be subtle, Be authentic in your approach. Show the value of your products, and they'll sell themselves. Step 12, utilize shoppable posts. Taps on your imagery on your phone. Make it easy for your followers to shop by using shoppable posts on Instagram and Facebook. A seamless shopping experience means more sales. Part 5, keep up with the momentum. Finally, let's make sure you stay on top of your game. Step 13, analyze your performance. I am the queen of analytics and data, all right? 17 months in doing this, and it's just been a lot, but keep refining your strategy and watch your brand flourish. Step 14, stay informed. Stay up to date with the latest social media trends and features. Adapt and evolve with the ever changing landscape. And your brand will always be on top, okay? And there you have it, gorgeous. Your 14 steps to success for your Shopify beauty brand on social media. Now, go forth and slay those timelines and those feeds and stories. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm Brittney Brands. You'll be getting more fabulous tips and tricks. Until next time, stay sassy and stay classy.